This kind of videos makes $2,000 and has almost no competition, and it's a pretty new niche. So in today's video, I'll show you how to start your own online business with the help of artificial intelligence. From coming up with ideas with such simple clicks, to designing the final result and making it look just professional using new AI techniques. So keep watching because I will reveal a trick to stand out and make a passive amount of money. So make sure you start taking notes because I promise you'll not find such a video like this on YouTube. Let's get straight to the point. Now let's go ahead and start with ChatGPT. It will be great if you start by greeting the chatbot, and that's because it will give you more accurate results. Type in here, create a list of 5 quotes from 5 different Stoic philosophers, and here you go. Let's pick the first philosopher. Then ask the chatbot for 2 quotes for Marcus Aurelius. Keep this tab open because we'll need it through the video. Now, moving on to the next website, lexica.ai, it's completely free to use. Back to the Lexica homepage, click on Generate, then type in here, a portrait of the Stoic Marcus Aurelius in black and white 6:19 ratio. And there's a trick in the next website, that's why we should write 6:19, and try your best to choose the picture in the center like this one. So it only takes a second to generate, and you can choose whatever dimension you want. You even may upload whatever image you want and it will be regenerated. And now download the picture you choose from these 4 provided into your device. I find AI fascinating, and there are so many amazing things happening in the field of artificial intelligence these days. Type in Google Kyber.ai, afterwards click on Start Creating, then sign up, it's free to use. Now starting here, upload the image you downloaded from Lexica. Now scroll down a bit and click on Continue to Prompt. Now describe the thing you want the AI to create in your video. For today's video, I will type a portrait of the Stoic Marcus Aurelius. Then you should provide the details of style you want. I have added these black and white and so on. You can copy and paste it from the template in the descriptions. Back to Kyber. Now scroll down a bit and click on Video Settings. Select the duration of the video. I prefer not more than 15 seconds. Then in here you have the camera movement. It's optional, but I will put Zoom Out, for example. Finally, hit the Go to Preview Frames, click on the frames you want, and lastly click on Create Video. It takes a minute to generate your video. It's pretty amazing, AI is getting so much fun. The watermark right here will remove it while editing in the coming steps. That's why I told you to try choosing it in the center with a ratio of 6:19. Now click on Download and boom, you have your video ready. Let's go ahead and open the next AI website that we'll be using to add a voiceover on the video we got now. Head to Google and type in Eleven Labs and click on the first link. Now click on Get Started Free, then sign up and verify it by clicking here from the email they sent you. Now this new tab has popped up, click Add Voice, then add Generative Voice. Afterwards choose Voice Design, select the gender as a male, then select the age as an old for the purpose of your video. Choose the accent you prefer. Lastly, go back to ChatGPT and copy and paste the 5 quotes so you can check how the AI sounds like, and if you like to make any changes after listening to it.
Titus. Man is not worried by real problems, so much as by his imagined anxieties about real problems. Marcus Aurelius. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength.
Now hit the Generate button and click on Use Voice, then name the voice as you wish. Finally hit Create Voice. Up here click on Speech Synthesis, and you will find the voice you created here. Back to ChatGPT, copy and paste one of the quotes, and hit Generate, then Download. Let's go ahead and edit our video to post on YouTube Shorts, or even on Instagram and TikTok as well. Again, from Google Chrome, type in the search box CapCut.com. It's completely free to use, and you even may edit online or download it into your laptop. Now click on the new project icon, import the video and the voiceover you have created right here. Add them into your timeline as you can see. Now under the video here on the right, change the ratio to 9:16 and expand the picture until the watermark is removed so that you can't see it. So that's why we choose it in the center when we uploaded it from Lexica. Let's fix the video and the voiceover until they are parallel to each other, exactly like this. Now we'll apply some edits. In the timeline, click on the voiceover, and then up here on the right side, click on Speed. Change it to 0.9 to make it more historic and old. Adding to this, turn on the voice tone change button. Okay, let's play it now.
Man is not worried by real problems so much as by his imagined anxieties about real problems.
That sounds pretty good. Let's go ahead and add some good effects. I picked these 2 for today's. Add spark and even add mist. After adding them, drag them through the entire video like this. Try it now.
Man is not worried by real problems so much as by his imagined anxieties.
Well, that's fun. Now click on the video afterwards. Go over here, click animation, then combo. So we're going to select this animation, slide and wave. And for the duration, drag it to the left and right so it will be applied for the full video. That's perfect. Up here, click on text, then apply the auto captions. Let me show you a quick hack. Let's make it all capitalize. So head to Google and type the bold font. Pick the first website here, then click the download after that. Extract the zipped file by copying and pasting it on your laptop. Now on your main laptop search bar, type fonts and select this one. Afterwards, drag and drop your font you just downloaded into here. Then go back to CapCut, close it, but don't worry, CapCut autosaves your work. Now open it again. Click on the captions you have, then up here on the right, click on the font, and here is the bold font. It's the first thing you will see, so select it, change the size of the font to 14 for example, pick this style, and add some animations, select this type 2, and now we'll change the duration for the full thing. Lastly, add some quotations for these 2 sentences, and boom.
Man is not worried by real problems so much as by his imagined anxieties about real problems.
Now go ahead and post into your Instagram account or TikTok, and even you may upload it as a YouTube short. By the way, I made an entire video about doing a faceless YouTube channel from scratch. Check it out in the description down below, or it just appeared. So click on it and watch it now to start making money online. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Money Flow. Thanks for watching.